note while I pop a bottle off of ya. Chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass.
Chapter 1 Introduction. This is the background of our research. At this time, the world has been dominated by the development of increasingly sophisticated science and technology. Many things are created by using technology to facilitate human life, one of which is information technology, as if it has become a mandatory thing used in everyday life. In the field of knowledge, for example, knowledge is one of the most important things in human life today. Knowledge is something that can improve the quality of science and the development of one's personality. The development of information and communication technology in today's era has had a great influence of knowledge in this world. As stated by Kingwee and Georgina in their research, it has been stated that technological developments provide change to the implementation of teaching and learning. In the field of knowledge, the development of technology and information has been very dominant. Everything that people want to know will easily be known through technology that is now an ever-present thing in human life, namely the Internet. Purbo explained that the Internet is basically a medium that is used to streamline a communication process that is connected to various applications, such as the web, phone, email. Everyone can access the Internet anywhere and anytime easily. When connected to the Internet is called online. Online is a term when someone is connected to the Internet and is accessing Internet features.
In the field of knowledge, online Internet features have been widely used by people in the current era. For example, online applications. According to Henki W. Pramana, applications are the software unit created to serve the need for several activities such as commerce system, community service games, advertising, or all processes that are almost done by humans. Related to the field of knowledge, the Internet provides online learning, one of which is online language learning. Online language learning can occur in web, facilitated, hybrid, or completely virtual classrooms. There are various kinds of online language learning features provided by the Internet, of which are applications. This research is a research that aims to determine whether the use of online language learning applications has an impact of improving language skills. This research focuses on the effectiveness of using online applications to learn English for students of English literature. This is considered important to research because the rapid development of technology makes students have to be able to follow and adapt to these developments and to create an effective, efficient, and interesting learning as desired. Question of the problems. 1. To do English literature, students use online application to learn English. 2. Are the online application to learn English effectively in helping to improving English skills? Objectives. 1. To find out whether English literature students use online English learning applications. 2. To find out the effectiveness of online English learning applications.
Chapter 2 Theoretical Research. 2.1 Methodology. The research was conducted on several English literature student class of 2021, Samratulangi University, Manado, Faculty of Humanity, with a total of 52 respondents. The method used was in the form of a survey. The researchers distributed a digital form containing several questions related to the problem under study, with a total of 9 questions. All of the answers will be collected and analyzed to get result. The research was conducted in 5 days. 2.2 Result and discussion. Based on the research process, which was carried out from Sunday 13 November until Thursday, 17 November. The researchers received 52 answers from 52 respondents and got the result in accordance with the method used by the researchers, namely a survey by running from to respondents which contain in several questions related to the topic, such as 1. Did you know there are online applications for English language learning? 2. Have you ever used an online application to learn English? 3. From the option provided, which online application for learning English do you know? 4. Do you use the application? 5. In your opinion, does the online learning English application help you to improve your English skills? 6. What English skills do you feel have improved while using the online application for learning English? 7. What do you like about the application? 8. Is the application suitable for use by general public? And 9. Do you recommend the application? Then the accepted answers are shown in the following table.
Hi, I'm Gian Londo. My ID student is 175, and right now I want to explain the next explanation about the answer that we got from our respondents, and we show in the table. So for table 1.1, question number 1, did you know there are online applications for English language learning? For this question, we give two options: yes, I did, and no, I didn't. And overall, all the respondents choose the first option, which is yes, I did, with average 100%. So it just means that all the respondents know about online application for English language learning. For the next table is 1.2. Question number 2. Have you ever used an online applications to learn English? For this question, we give three different options. Yes, I have. Second is yes, I've using till now. And no, I have not. For the first option, yes, I have, average 77% or about 40 respondents choose these options. And next, yes, I've using till now, with average 11.5% or about 6 respondents choose these options. And the last one is no, I have not, with average 11.5% too, or about 6 respondents choose these options. And for the next is table 1.3, question number 3. From the options provided, which online applications for learning English do you know? For this question, we give 4 application is for example that we know the most application that we know, which is Duolingo, Cake, Busu, and Chakap. And the next options is others, or the respondent can write down the others application that they know, and then there are not. For the first options, Duolingo with average 61.5% or about 32 respondents choose this application. And next, Cake with average 11.5% or about 6 respondents choose this application. And then Busu, average 1.9% or about 1 respondents choose these options. And then Chakap with average 5.8% or about 3 respondents choose this application or options. and then there are 4% or about 2 respondents tell us that all the application they know, all these applications provided by us, they know, such as Duolingo, Cake, Busu, and Chakap. For the next is there are not, with average 7.7% or about 4 respondents. For the next table is table 1.4, question number 4. Do you use the applications? Basically, question number 4 is similar with question number 2, but we don't know why. For both question, both question have a different answer or different result from our respondent. So we decide to choose only question number 2 to get the right results or the right answers. So for question number 4, table number 1.4, we will skip and move to the table 1.5, question number 5. In your opinion, does the online learning of English applications help you to improve your English skills? For this question, we give the options such as yes, it does, with average 80.8% or about 42 respondents choose this option. And then no, it doesn't, with average 13.5% or about 7 respondents choose this option. And then some respondents have others opinion or other answers about this question, with average 5.9% or about 3 respondents. For the next is table 1.6, question number 6. What English skills do you feel have improved while using the online applications for learning English? We give the options such as writing, with average 9.6% or about 5 respondents, and then speaking 30.8% or about 16 respondents, listening 21.2% or about 11 respondents, and then reading average 23.1% or about 12 respondents. And then some of respondents have a different option or different opinion about the questions. Average 8% or about 4 respondents have others opinion or others answer about this question. And then the last one is there are not, with average 7.6% or about 4 respondents choose these options. And the next table is table 1.7, question number 7. What do you like about the application? So for this question, we give the chance for respondent to write or put their opinion about the applications, the online applications. So for this, in this table, we just show the most relevant opinion about the applications. For the first answers, our opinion is easy and fun. They think that the applications, online application learning English is really easy to use for beginner and for someone who want to learn the English. And then it is really fun. They think it's really, really fun. The second is the features provided. The features provided by the online applications, such as their pictures, sounds, or even a video, to make the user easily to understand the teaching or the applications. The next is flexible. Flexible, that it is means that you can use the application, or you can learn in every places, in every time, or any situations. You can learn, or you can use the applications. And then the next is add new vocabulary, and then the last one is help to improve English skills. The next is table 1.8, question number 8. Is the application suitable for use by general public? For this question, have two options: yes it is, and no it's not. And overall, the respondent chose the first options, which is the yes it is, with average 100%, or about 52 respondent chose these options. They think that it is really suitable for general public. And then table 1.9, question number 9. Do you recommend the application? The option is, there are two options: yes I do and no I don't. Yes I do have a average 99%, or about 51 respondent, and no I don't, average 1%, or just one respondent, So it just means that 99% the application online application for learning English is really recommend to people.
Based on the result above, the average respondents know that there are the online English learning application and have used it. As shown in table 1.1, 100% all respondents knew that there were the online application to learn English. And in table 1.2, there were 88.5%, or around 40 respondents who answered that they had used an online application to learn English. But only 11.5% and had used it until now, or about 6 respondents, and also 11.5%, or about 6, have never used an online application to learn English. And in general, the online application for learning English that is widely known and used is the Duolingo application, with an average of 61.5%, or around 32 respondents. Most of the respondents thought that the online application for learning English helped in improving English skills. According to table 1.5, 80.8%, or about 42 respondents answered yes, and the skills that are felt to have improved the most are speaking, listening, and reading, which get a high average according to table 1.6.
Based this result, it can be seen that online application for learning English is very well known among English literature students, and in general it has been used to learn English from scratch or to improve the skill of English literature students, as well as develop in its various types, kinds such as based on user need or user needs pictures, sounds, or even video based on user level for elementary, high school children, for students, and for works, and based on user level. beginners experts. Based on the results of research and analysis by researchers, the use of online English learning application among students of English literature is generally considered effective, and 85% is considered to be able to improve English skills such as listening, speaking, reading, writing, mastering grammar, and adding new vocabulary. It's effective is supported by the opinion of students. For example, the use of an application that is easy to use, fun because it has complete features, image, sounds, and video, and its use is flexible or can be used anywhere and anytime. Besides that, the most important thing is that the learning technique used is very easy to understand because it is taught in stages starting from the beginning and even up to the small items such as using the right word and pronouncing each word right or wrong, as well as the learning that has tests in various stages of learning. And because of that, online learning English application is considered very useful not only for improving skill but also useful for beginners who want to learn English. Than 99% of online learning English application are recommended by students of English literature not only for
Chapter 3 Conclusion. The use of online English learning application is very effective for learning English from scratch for beginners, and even for improving skills for English students, because its use is very easy, fun, and flexible, and there are various types with various supporting features that can make user feel comfortable when using it. So the use of online language learning application is highly recommended for all people in learning language because learning is easy, effective, and efficient.